Just making a little guacamole here. If you'd like to learn and check out the chef's guacamole recipes, just search through the database of our recipes and you'll find an awesome recipe. Yeah. Turbo knife. So nice, so sharp, so consistent, the cuts. Yeah, right through this perfectly ripe tomato like nothing. Line them up. You can see that. It's going right through the skin so easily without smashing. And that's what you're looking for when you dice a tomato. You don't want to smash them. You can go as fast as you want to, but you get better consistent cuts by going slower. There we go. It's a very nice medium dice right there. Once again, slightly different method. Okay, more of a slicing motion. This goes right through, so nice, so clean. And once again, we got about a medium dice working right there, okay? Yeah, that's the review. Score the turbo at your sponsor. Right there. Have a great day. Scoop out avocados, place in mixing bowl, smash together, add seasoning. Clean as you go. Diced dried jalapenos. I really enjoy them. I like to put just a few in my guacamole or different Mexican dishes, and all you do is reconstitute them in water like that. That right there is probably the equivalent to about a quarter of a jalapeno pepper. And that's it. You just wait about 5 minutes and that becomes jalapeno pepper. Like to score some of these, just visit your sponsor right there. Click on gourmet link and then click on the spices link and they got them in stock. It's really nice and convenient when you run out of fresh jalapenos or it's snowing outside, 0 degrees, and nobody has jalapenos. So there's a couple reasons you'd go with these. Really like them, and it's an airtight jar that they're packed in. Really nice tight seal. Of course, there's a little lift tab. You can open it and shake them out if you prefer to do it that way. But that's it right there, the good stuff. Making really good guacamole is not that hard, and if you follow this recipe, it should taste better than what you get in the restaurants. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta have that.